Need slime as part of your Halloween decor but don't want to deal with a mess? This shapeable glowing slime can be molded into almost any form, lights up for your nighttime display, and it's easy to pack away after the holiday is over. You'll need chicken wire, spray foam insulation, and green string lights, a drop cloth, fluorescent green spray paint, and protective gloves. First, form the chicken wire into your desired shape. I want to make it look like slime is running down some steps, so I'm bending the wire to fit each angle. Place the formed chicken wire over a drop cloth and lay the green string lights so they cover the surface. Ensure the outlet is pulled out and away from the wire. Using protective gloves, spray the foam insulation all over the wire and the lights so that everything is fully covered. Spray in a random pattern so the foam looks like oozing slime. Allow to fully expand and harden. This will take a few hours. Once dried, use the fluorescent green spray paint to lightly coat the surface. After the paint is dried, set your finished slime back onto the spot where you want to display it and place additional props around it as needed. Your slime will look creepy during the day and glow an icky green at night. On the fly DIY.